Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to convert a simple image into a profile picture with that round shape border. Here I have a image tag, class name is profile, and I have already downloaded a girl image and saved it here and passing that to the source attribute, and I have linked the CSS file here. Now let's go to the index.css file, and first let's see how it looks on the browser. So as of now, you can see this is a really designed image which looks like this. Now to convert it into a profile picture, what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to write profile, that is the class name which we had given to the image, and let's say 400 pixel. That if you go to the browser, you can see the width of the image is 400 pixel now. Now to make it round, what I'm going to do is, there is a fantastic and amazing CSS property called clip path, and you just need to provide circle here and call it and save. Now let's go to the browser, and you see it has been converted to a file image.